India is a global player. We sit together in the Commonwealth, the G20, and we want to see India taking its rightful place on the UN Security Council too. So we're committed to strengthening our strategic partnership.
फ्रेंड्स, भारत और यूके नेचुरल पार्टनर्स हैं। हमारे संबंधों की नींव में डेमोक्रेसी, फ्रीडम और रूल ऑफ लॉ जैसे मूल्यों में साझा विश्वास है। मौजूदा वैश्विक अस्थिरता के दौर में भारत और यूके के बीच ये बढ़ती हुई साझेदारी ग्लोबल स्टेबिलिटी और आर्थिक प्रगति का एक महत्वपूर्ण आधार बनी रही है। आज की बैठक में हमने इंडो पैसिफिक, वेस्ट एशिया में शांति और स्थिरता और यूक्रेन में चल रहे संघर्ष पर भी विचार साझा किए। यूक्रेन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और गाजा के मुद्दे पर भारत डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी से शांति की बहाली के सभी प्रयासों का समर्थन करता है। हम इंडो पैसिफिक क्षेत्र में मैरीटाइम सिक्योरिटी कोऑपरेशन बढ़ाने के लिए पूर्ण रूप से प्रतिबद्ध है।
Of course, our cooperation goes much wider too, and so we've had the opportunity to discuss issues of vital importance to global stability and security, including the situation in the Middle East. I strongly welcome the news that a deal has been reached on the first stage of the peace plan in Gaza. This is a moment of profound relief that we felt around the world, but particularly for the hostages, their families, and for the civilian population of Gaza, who have all endured unimaginable suffering over the last 2 years. I'm grateful for the tireless diplomatic efforts of Egypt, Qatar, Turkey, the United States, and many others in securing this crucial first step. This agreement must now be implemented in full, without delay, and be accompanied by the immediate lifting of all restrictions on life-saving humanitarian aid to Gaza. The UK will support these crucial immediate steps and the next stages of the talks to ensure the full implementation of the peace plan. The Prime Minister and I also discussed the need for a just and lasting peace in Ukraine, the need for stability and security in the Indo-Pacific, and the need to cooperate in critical areas like climate and energy, including breaking away from dependence on fossil fuels.
यूके में बसे 1.8 मिलियन भारतीय हमारी साझेदारी की जीवंत कड़ी है। ब्रिटिश समाज और अर्थव्यवस्था में अपने मूल्यवान योगदान से उन्होंने दोनों देशों के बीच मित्रता, सहयोग और विकास के पुल को मजबूत किया है। फ्रेंड्स, भारत का डायनेमिज्म और यूके की एक्सपर्टाइज मिलकर एक यूनिक सिनर्जी बनाती है। हमारी साझेदारी ट्रस्टवर्दी है, टैलेंट और टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन है। और आज जब मैं और प्रधानमंत्री स्टारमर मंच पर एक साथ खड़े हैं, तो ये हमारा स्पष्ट कमिटमेंट है कि हम एक साथ मिलकर दोनों देशों के लोगों के लिए एक उज्जवल भविष्य का निर्माण करेंगे।
Later today, the Prime Minister and I will convene a renewed CEO forum, and that was much discussed yesterday as a direct channel for business. There was a real buzz in the room yesterday that this forum is going to have real life breathed into it to embody the agreement that we've already reached, to ensure that the deal does deliver the opportunities that we want to see. And we are committed to that. And when we leave India later on tonight, I expect that we will have secured major new investments, creating thousands of high-skilled jobs in the sectors of the future for both of our nations. And look, the whole thing, this particular partnership, goes much deeper, because in the end, it is about people. The human connections between India and the UK are unique, forming what Prime Minister Modi has called the living bridge between our two countries. A bridge between people, a bridge between hearts, and in that spirit, Prime Minister, I want to express my deepest sympathies to all the victims of the Air India crash earlier this year. A terrible day and a tragedy for both of our nations. And it showed, frankly, that we are family. And I am proud this week that we're taking this incredible partnership between our two nations and making it stronger than ever for working people on both sides of that bridge.